Hey, my beauties, welcome back. Today, we're talking about something subtle but powerful. Why he gets attached to your energy without even realizing it himself. Not loud obsession, not obvious chasing, but that quiet pull that keeps bringing him back to you again and again. I've put real thought into this because it's not about looks or doing too much. It's about the way you act, the way you respond, and the way you make him feel in small moments. Stay till the end, because this is how you understand the impact you have without even trying. 1. You make him feel comfortable being himself. Around you, he doesn't feel like he has to act perfect or filtered. Conversations feel easy, and he can say random things without overthinking too much. For example, when he says something slightly awkward and you just smile or respond normally instead of judging him, it relaxes him instantly. That comfort creates a safe space without you even trying. He starts associating that feeling with you specifically. Other interactions might feel more controlled or performative compared to this. He doesn't have to impress you constantly, and that makes him stay longer. That emotional comfort slowly turns into attachment, and that's why he keeps coming back to your energy. Number 2, your reactions feel different from everyone else. You don't react in the most predictable way every time. Sometimes you tease lightly, sometimes you stay quiet and just smile, and sometimes you respond in a way that feels slightly unexpected. For example, when he says something silly, instead of replying normally, you look at him and say, "You're actually so weird," in a soft tone. That creates a moment. He starts paying more attention to how you react because it never feels repetitive. That unpredictability keeps his mind engaged without pressure. He remembers those moments later because they feel different. That difference becomes addictive in a quiet way, and that's what keeps him thinking about you. 3. You don't overgive your attention. You give attention, but not constantly, and not in a way that feels overwhelming. For example, you reply, you engage, but you don't stay available all the time or try to keep every conversation going forever. You naturally step back when needed without making it a big deal. That balance makes your attention feel more valuable. When you're present, it feels good, and when you're not, it's noticed. That contrast creates emotional impact without effort. He starts missing your presence when it's not there. And that's what makes your energy feel addictive. You leave emotional impressions in small moments. It's not big gestures, it's small moments that stay with him. The way you laugh at something, the way you look at him for a second longer, or the way you say something softly. For example, when you casually say, "That's actually cute," while looking at him, it hits differently. Those small emotional moments replay in his mind later. He doesn't always realize why, but they stay with him. That's how emotional memory builds. It's quiet but powerful. And that's what makes your presence hard to forget. 5. You feel easy, not heavy. Talking to you doesn't feel draining or complicated. You don't bring pressure into every interaction. For example, you don't question everything or turn small moments into serious conversations. You keep things natural and balanced. That ease makes him feel relaxed around you. He doesn't feel like he has to manage the interaction carefully. Instead, he enjoys it without thinking too much. That feeling becomes something he looks forward to. And that's what makes your energy addictive. 6. You let him come to you naturally. You don't force conversations or chase his attention. For example, if a conversation ends, you don't immediately start another one. You let things happen naturally. That creates space without you trying to control anything. He starts coming back on his own because it feels like his choice. That makes the connection stronger. When someone feels like they're choosing to return, it becomes more meaningful. And that's what keeps him attached without realizing it. You stay in his mind without being there. Even when you're not talking, something reminds him of you. It could be a small habit, a way you reacted, or something you said earlier. For example, he might hear something and think, "She would say something about this." That connection stays active even in your absence. That's when your energy becomes part of his thoughts. You're not present, but you're still there mentally. That's what makes it different from normal attraction. It turns into something deeper without effort, and that's why he keeps coming back to you. It's not about doing too much or trying to make someone obsessed. It's about the way you naturally create comfort, curiosity, and small emotional moments. Those are the things that stay with him. So if you notice this happening, understand this clearly. It's your energy, not coincidence. If you like this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and tell me in the comments which one you relate to the most.